Hi guys, I'm now making the samosa dough. I have 4 cups of plain flour here, and I've got my water here. I will be measuring it, this is like a cup, and I've got my salt here, and I've got original herbs here. So now first thing I'm going to be add is I'm going to take a small amount of the herbs. Sorry, this is my way of making this. Just a small amount in there, and then I'll be adding my salt. But first thing, I'll be measuring my cup of water, and just to let you know, my water is not cold, it's just in between. It's warm, it's not cold. Okay, so I'll be adding, don't mind, I've washed my hands already. Okay, so that's 1 cup of water going in now. Okay, as I'm just gonna pass the phone to my son because I'm gonna need one hand to hold it. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, my son is holding it for me now, so I can now get to use both my hands. So I've just now got I'm getting another cup of water, and that's the whole cup of water, so I'm gonna mix that one with too. I'm not gonna pour all of it, I'm gonna pour like half of it, and just in case it is too soft. Okay, sorry, mind my mess. My big jar, my son is broken it for me, so I have no choice but to make it in these ones. Okay, put the other half in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep mixing it until it turns into a dough. Okay, so now I've literally formed all of it into a big dough, so I'm just going to move it here, and I'm gonna break it into 3 so I can work with it easy. Get one. Mind my nails, don't want to break my nails. Okay, that's the 2, and I'm gonna work with this one first. Okay, so I'm now just working with the first one. So with the first one, I'm gonna break it into 3 again. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna mold the dough. I know it would be easy if you had ready-made ones, but I prefer making the dough at home. Okay. Okay, and I've just done that, so you can see my mints are all here. So I'm now going to just fill the pastry with the mints. Okay, this is how I do my first one. I know I like wrapping mine up like this, as if I say I'm gonna be doing the whole design thing. I'll be here until God knows when, as I have the kids, so I try and do it this way, and it's a bit quicker for me. And that is the first one done. So I just seal. If it's not closing, I usually just use just a little bit water on my hand and just use it on the edges. And okay, so this is how I do it. And so yeah, this is how I do it. And obviously before I explained, I put a little bit of water here and put a bit of the plain flour in there, and just put my hand and just trying to seal the bit that is not closing. I've been doing all of them, well, some of them like this. This is like half of the flour that I cut into. I still have the other one left. So that is how I've sealed my samosa up. And same thing, I just do the same thing over here, and just close, you can see it from here. It's just like that, just close it. Okay, I'm going to be taking it to the deep fryer and show you how I get it all done. Okay, I've just done a few of them. I've got a whole row to go. Okay, so now I've got my oil here, and I'm just okay. I've done a few of them here. I still have half a row left. Just got my oil here. I've just warmed my oil for a bit, so just a little mini one for my little princess. We'll test that one out first. Okay, looks like oil is hot enough. Okay, the next one in. Okay, I'm just turning them round so obviously they don't get burned on the outside. Trying to lower the temperature down because it's quite warm in the room already. It's really hot in the room. Okay. I know they're so cute. Those tiny ones are so cute. I love making head size of things. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, I'm just cooking it to when it's all done. It's nearly done. Okay, I'm just keep turning it round because obviously I don't want it to doing this with one hand. Okay. Okay, I think the small ones are done. You can see them. That is placing them on there. I'll just wait for a bit with the large size one. Just make those ones large for my little boy. I mean, if I give them small ones, they eat about a couple of them and then just play about with the rest. So you can put that one into his lunchbox and even have it as lunch. Okay, I'm just going to place a few of them in there. There it goes to the next one. Ooh. Just being very careful not to burn myself as I'm recording and cooking them at the same time. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to fry the rest of them and I'll show you how it all turns up on the inside. Okay, thank you. Okay, just finished it, or just finished deep frying all of them. So I'm just now going to put some on a plate for myself, as the kids have already come in here and got some out to eat already. So just getting them on a plate. Okay, just finished it now, so I've just got it on a plate, just about to enjoy myself, eat this beautiful samosas. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching me make my homemade samosas. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. See ya.